everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chan and you're watching Made by Chan. Today I'm going to show you how to make tortoiseshell earrings. If you don't know, I love tortoiseshell. So when I saw that these were trending and becoming popular and they kept showing up on my Instagram feed, I was very excited. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make earrings.
To make 4 different pairs of earrings, you're going to need needle nose pliers, 2 coin drops, 2 oval hoops, 2 black and gold dressies, 2 teardrop beads, 2 17mm hoops, 4 24mm hoops, earring hooks, earring chains, earring posts, and jump rings.
You also need super glue. I forgot to include that for some reason.
To make the first pair of earrings, you need to create a chain link. You're going to use 6 of the smallest jump rings and 1 of the second to smallest jump rings to connect the chain link to the earring hook. To connect the 17mm and the 24mm hoops, you'll need the 4th smallest jump ring. The first thing you're going to do is connect the 2 hoops together. So you'll open the 4th smallest jump ring and put the 2 hoops on it and then close it. To make the chain link, I actually made 2 small chains with 3 rings on them and then connected them. Then I added the second to smallest ring to the chain as well as the earring hook. After that, I connected the chain link to the 2 hoops.
For the second pair of earrings, I wanted a teardrop style drop earring. Okay. And so I just put the teardrop on the chain and you'll see this was probably the easiest one to make actually.
To make the second pair of earrings, all you need is the earring chains, the teardrop beads, and the second to smallest jump ring. So all you have to do is connect the teardrop bead to the earring chain, and that's it.
The third pair of earrings, I admit these are my favorite. I think these are so cute. So these are just posts on the eardrops and the hoop.
For the third pair of earrings, you'll need the oval hoops and the coin beads, as well as earring posts and super glue, and the second to smallest jump ring. For these, the first thing you want to do is connect the oval hoop to the coin bead. And then you're going to glue the post to the back of the coin bead. And that's it. To make the 4th and final pair of earrings, you're going to take a dressie, the 24mm hoop, and an earring hook, as well as the 3rd jump ring in from the left. The first thing you're going to do is connect the dressie to the 24mm hoop. And then you'll open the earring hook at the bottom and slide it through the other hole in the dressie, and then close it. And that's it.
As you can see, these earrings are super easy to make and they're very cute. I'm just saying, you know, I might be a little biased though. If you really enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you make these, please tag me on Instagram at Made by Chan, as always. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.